4 layers, at least in height. There are all kind of layers in between, the rhizome, the creepers, the climbers. But our 4 layers of structure, that will be low, medium, high, and emergent. Normally in Mediterranean we do have the low layer with perennials, climatic perennials that condense water and protect that water through the day. And we need to maintain them with harsh and tough management, because they want to grow in this state, in this phase. They are ready to grow and become climatic forests. If our aim is to produce, I will suggest you to maintain them with a regime of good management and pruning. Then we have the middle layer. We can have some perennials like quince, loquat, or some citrus if you feel like, and very low, managed in a low layer, medium low. Then we have the middle. We're talking about the middle. Then we have deciduous trees also in the middle. That can be apricot and so on. Then we have a high, like it can be a walnut or a big fig tree, or a big, especially walnuts and almonds, that they let the fruit go down into the ground, so we can let them go up. We need to distance them a little bit more than normally, every 9-12 meters, because they give a lot of shade. And then emergent, through pruning, we can have emergent species that will have a role of combing the wind, giving some strategic shade, and especially for silviculture, like wood material and mushroom material for mushrooms growing production, you can have those included in your structure.